Namaste to dear students and all our fellow viewers. You are once again welcome to Teach Nepal. I am Ramesh Adhikari. Today I am going to present you a new lesson of grade 12 compulsory English new course, that is literature part. And in this video, I'll deal with the one act play, The Bull. And very soon we are about to upload many new videos for the lessons. Dear students, let me start today's lesson. I hope you will watch the video till the end to get the complete understanding of the lesson. Before I begin, I'd like to request you all to subscribe our channel for many other new videos and updates. Please don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get notified about our new videos automatically. Now, let's begin. First of all, let's discuss with the author, about the author. The author of the one act play, The Bull, is Bhimnidhi Tiwari. Bhimnidhi Tiwari was born in Kathmandu in 1911, and he was a famous story writer, novelist, playwright, and poet. He also served as a government section officer and assistant secretary. He was against the social evils like smoking, drinking, and gambling, and conducted awareness programs. He is known for his works like Dagbatti, Matoko Maya, Sansila Susila, etc. He won Madan Puraskar in 1970 and was awarded many medals by the king. This one act play is a historical play about the king Rana Bahadur Shah, who was fond of keeping bulls. It compares the value of human beings with the animals kept by the upper class people. Now, let's discuss about the characters of the play. The main characters of the play is Rana Bahadur. Rana Bahadur Shah is the king who is fond of keeping animals, especially he is fond of keeping bulls. And the next character is Lakshmi. Lakshmi is Lakshmi Narayan Dahal. He is also known as Jaisi, and he is 40 years old, and he is the Bichari of the court of that time, and he is also the bull doctor. And the next two characters are Jitman and Gori. Both are the cowherd who are responsible for looking after the king's favorite bull, whose name is Male. Male is the king's favorite bull. Now, setting of the play. The setting of the play is the palace of the king Rana Bahadur Shah, who was fond of rearing animals and loved them more than the servants. Now, plot of the play. First of all, let's look at the exposition, the beginning of the play. In the exposition, Gori and Jitman, they are the cowherds. They arrive at Lakshmi, the bull's doctor, and tell him that Male, the king's favorite bull, has died. And as the action rises, Lakshmi tries to hide the fact. He goes to the king and suggests taking the bull to the mountain to treat it. And in the climax, at first the king agrees to let Lakshmi to take the bull to the mountain for treating it, but later he wants to see the bull by himself. And then there is falling action, and the king finds the bull dead. Gori and Jitman starts crying, and the king consoles them, giving the tips. And at the end of the play, the resolution, the king asks Lakshmi to bury the bull and perform the ritual and make offerings to the priest on his own. That is the plot of the play. Now, let's go to the summary of the play. The Bull is a one-act play composed by the great poet and dramatist Bhimnidhi Tiwari that reflects the feudal system of government in Nepal in the early 18th century during the period of late King Rana Bahadur Shah. At the beginning of the play, we see Lakshmi Narayan Dahal, Bichari of the court and animal doctor, talking to himself, complaining his wives. Then Gori and Jitman, the cowherds of the king, arrive at him and tell him that Male, king's favorite bull, has died. यसको चाहिँ यो प्लेको सुरुमा यसको एउटा मुख्य पात्र लक्ष्मी नारायण दाहाल जैसी उनले आफ्नै श्रीमतीको बारेमा गुनासो गरिरहेको बेलामा दुईटा चाहिँ पठालाहरू गोरे र जितमान उसकोमा आइपुग्छन् र चाहिँ रणबहादुर शाहको एकदम मनपर्ने साँडे मर्यो भन्ने खालको खबर लिएर they were worried since the king can punish them severely for the death of the bull. They request Lakshmi Narayan to save them from the king. Lakshmi Narayan tries to hide the fact that the bull has died. So he goes to the king and suggests taking the bull to the mountain for its better treatment. तिनीहरू त्यहाँ आइपुग्छन् र उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ आश छ अब चाहिँ राजाले चाहिँ त्यो गोठालाहरूलाई सजाय दिन्छन् नत्र भने भनेर सजायबाट जोगाइदिनु पर्यो भनेर चाहिँ त्यो बुल डक्टर लक्ष्मीनारायणलाई रिक्वेस्ट गर्छन् उनीहरूले त्यसपछि त्यो मरेको कुरा उनले पनि लुकाउन खोज्छन् र राजालाई गएर उनले के भन्छन् भन्दाखेरि अब चाहिँ एकदमै बिरामी भयो त्यो साँडै अब यसलाई चाहिँ यहाँ माउन्टेनतिर लिएर गएर उपचार गर्नुपर्ने भयो भनेर भन्छ उसले. At first the king agrees to let him take the bull to the mountain and also offers the soldiers for the help, but later he wants to go and see the bull himself. सुरुमा ठिकै छ हुन्छ लिएर जाऊ अझै सिपाहीहरू चाहिने भए पनि भन भन्छन् राजाले तर पछि चाहिँ हैन म एकचोटी आफै गएर हेर्छु भन्ने लाग्छ उनलाई. The king goes to Gauchar with his convoy. Lakshminarayan goes ahead of the king and asks the cowherd to massage bull and wave the hand. त्यसपछि चाहिँ त्यो गौचर भन्ने ठाउँमा जहाँ चाहिँ साँडे राखिएको छ त्यहाँ आफ्नो पाल्की सहित राजा त्यहाँ जाने तयारीमा लाग्छन्. त्यसपछि लक्ष्मीनारायण अगाडि अगाडि गएर चाहिँ ती गोठालाहरूलाई ल एउटाले चाहिँ तिमीले त्यो चाहिँ साँडेको मसाज गर अर्कोले चाहिँ त्यो पंखा हल्लाऊ भनेर उनले चाहिँ अराउँछन्. एकदम चाहिँ सेवा गरेको जस्तो देखाऊ तिमीहरूले हैन भनेर भन्छन्. When the king examines the bull carefully he finds the bull dead. उनीहरूले चाहिँ सिधै भन्न सक्दैनन् राजालाई साँडे मर्यो भनेर तर राजाले चाहिँ यसो विचार गरेर आफै थाहा पाउँछन् मरिसक्यो भन्ने लाग्छ उनलाई. Then Gore and Jitwan start crying in order to minimize their punishment. त्यसपछि अब राजाले सजाय दिने भयो भनेर राजाले आफै थाहा पाए भन्ने भएपछि उनीहरू रुन कराउन थाल्छन् हैन. त्यो चाहिँ साँडे मर्दा उनीहरूलाई आफूलाई धेरै पीडा भयो जस्तो चाहिँ देखाउन खोज्छन्. The king asks Lakshminarayan to console them. He offers them the tip. त्यसपछि चाहिँ राजाले नै लक्ष्मीनारायणलाई यिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ हैन शान्त पार यिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ केही पैसाहरू दिएर भनेर भन्छन् राजा आफैले. Then Lakshminarayan also starts crying but the king scolds him. त्यसपछि लक्ष्मीनारायण पनि आफू पनि रुन थाल्छन्. त्यसपछि राजाले उनलाई गाली गर्छन् र त्यसपछि finally the king asks Lakshminarayan to bury the bull, perform the ritual and make offering to the priest on his own. त्यसपछि यसको चाहिँ यो काट्ने बन्दोबस्त तिमी आफै गर यसको चाहिँ हैन क्रियाकर्म पनि गर र चाहिँ प्रिस्टलाई चाहिँ त्यहाँ पुरोहितहरू बोलाएर गरेर पुरोहितहरूलाई पनि चाहिँ दान दक्षिणा दिएर पठाऊ भनेर अनि राजाले उनलाई चाहिँ अर्डर गरेपछि अनि यो कथा चाहिँ सकिएको छ. Now let's look at the analysis of the play. The Bull is a one-act play composed by the great poet and dramatist Bhimnidhi Tiwari that reflects the feudal system of government in Nepal during the early 18th century while the king Rana Bahadur Shah was ruling Nepal. The play makes a satire on the feudal system of government during the period where citizens were given very few rights. यो चाहिँ एउटा व्यङ्ग्य हो जहाँ चाहिँ जनताहरूले अधिकार पाएका थिएनन्. जनताहरू भन्दा उनीहरूले पालेका जनावरहरू ठुलो मानिन्थे. Poor people were living an extremely miserable life. They had to serve their masters day and night for very few incentives. It reflects how people were treated more cruelly than the animals. When the bull died, the cowards, even the bull doctor were, the ruler and the officers were fond of rearing animals at that time, and they loved them more than the servants. When the bull became sick, the king himself made a visit to Gauchar. The servants were jealous of the facility of the king. Animals used to get. The bull was fed with the fine rice, lentils, gram, fruits, etc. It also shows how the officers and personal assistant could convince the leader for their personal benefits. हैन त्यसले चाहिँ त्यो जनावरहरूलाई चाहिँ हैन बढी चाहिँ उनीहरूले सुविधा पाएका थिए मान्छेहरूले भन्दा भन्ने यहाँ देखाएको छ. त्यसैगरी उनीहरूका चाहिँ आसीपासी भरौटीहरूले कसरी सुविधा लिइरहेका थिए उनीहरूले आफ्नो किसिमबाट चाहिँ हैन मनाएर नेताहरूलाई भन्ने खालको कुरा पनि छ यहाँ. Similarly, people used to render services to the high rank people to get favor of them. Lakshmi at first tried to hide the fact that the bull had died. When he could not, he made the cowherd show as if they loved the bull very much and serviced it tirelessly. Thus, they were not only able to save themselves from the punishment, but also got tips from the king. त्यसरी चाहिँ हैन एकदम सेवा गरेको जस्तो देखाएर हैन चाप्लुसी गरेर उनीहरूले चाहिँ आफ्नो सजायबाट मात्रै जोगिएनन् उल्टो पैसा समेत पाए. त्यस्तो खालको चाहिँ अवस्था थियो भनेर यहाँ देखाउन खोजिएको छ. Let's look at the theme of the play. The theme of the plays are fear, feudalism, autocracy, service, animal love, chakari, etc. That chakari, that is yeah, related to अरू मान्छेहरूलाई चाहिँ त्यो हैन आफ्नो किसिमबाट उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ मनाएर फकाएर कसरी हुन्छ सेवा गरेको जस्तो देखाएर अनि काम लिने आफ्नो चाहिँ स्वार्थ पुरा गर्ने खालको कुरालाई चाहिँ यहाँ चाकरी भनिएको छ. Now let's go to the exercise from the text. The first question is, why have Gore and Jitman come to see Lakshmi Narayan? Gore and Jitman have come to see Lakshmi Narayan because Male, the king's favorite bull, has died, and they are worried that the king will definitely punish them. They think Lakshmi Narayan can save them from the king's punishment. What, according to cow horse, is the reason behind the death of Male? According to the cow horse, the main reason behind the bull's death is its diet. The bull has been fed with fine rice, lentils, gram, banana, guava, sugarcane, etc., whereas the animal has to live on grass and wood. Why does Ranbahadru wants to see the bull himself? Ranbahadru wants to see the bull himself to find out if the bull can be treated at the site. He thinks it will be more trouble to the bull if it is taken to the hill. He may also to see the favorite animal before its death. Why does Lakshmi Narayan run ahead of the convoy to Thulo Gauchar? He thinks of an idea to save the cowards and himself from the punishment. So he runs ahead of the convoy and asks the cowherd to massage and wave hand to bull to show that they are looking after the bull very well. Why do Gore and Jitman cry when the king declares that Male is dead? When the king declares that Male is dead, Gore and Jitman starts weeping to show the king that they love the bull very much, which they think can reduce the punishment. Their trick work and they get tips instead of the punishment. How do we learn that the bull is dead? The bull doesn't eat anything. It doesn't breathe either. The ears have drooped down and tail has loosened. From these symptoms, we learn that the bull is dead. How does the play make a satire on the feudal system? The play makes a satire on the feudal system of government during the 18th century, where the citizens were given very few rights. It reflects how people were treated more cruelly than the animals. Next, write down the plot of the play in a paragraph. At the beginning, Gore and Jitman, the cowards, arrive at Lakshmi, the bull doctor, and tell him that Male, king's favorite bull, has died. Then Lakshmi tries to hide the fact. He goes to the king and suggests taking the bull to the mountain to treat it. At first, the king agrees to let him to take the bull to the mountain, but later he wants to see the bull by himself. The king finds the bull dead, and Gore and Jitman start crying, and the king consoles them by giving tips. Finally, the king asks Lakshmi to bury the bull, perform the ritual, and make the offering to the priest on his own. Okay, that's the end of this play. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have any queries and confusions about today's lesson, please feel free to write a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thank you very much.